First and foremost, I'm just a black guy on a boat. Sorry, I'm not taking passengers. No passengers, no stowaways.
Stop. But, okay, you have to
It works like that.
Stop.
I don't know what to tell you, homie, but that's not how it works.
Let
Saying
go.
the man's coming through, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes!
I'd be happy just sitting inside drinking.
I'm telling you, that would be fun.
You would not be happy if I was driving you sitting there drinking, no?
That's what I'm saying, like having someone just driving and having your fun.
I know.
Let's tell you